Okay, go. It sounds so sad. Does he not like it? Is that why he's... Is it like a cry?
I don't know, because he didn't do it when he played the piano.
Like it hurts his ears?
Maybe. The singing dog. Snoopy, the singing dog. Good boy. Good boy. Just like the Pied Piper could make the rats come to you.
But he's not following you. And even Tom can do it.